Okay, with our truffula trees, you should have added tape to your canvas. You want to make sure you rub and have it really secure and in place. Then we are going to draw rolling hills. We want to do 2 wavy lines and make sure that your first line is halfway up your shortest tree. Next, you're going to work on painting. I added white paint into the colors. Mixing the white in is going to help give us a better coverage on our canvas. Some people will paint the entire canvas with white before applying color over the top, just to help smooth it out and give it a nice smooth look. I'm just going to mix mine in and then go ahead and paint my rolling hills. You will work with the blue paint to create the sky up above your rolling hills. As you're painting, remember you do not need to paint around the tape. In fact, I want you to paint right over it. When these are dry and we pull the tape off, it should help us get a nice crisp line for our tree trunks. All right, now that our paintings have dried, we are going to work on peeling the tape off of them to create those nice tree trunk lines. All right, now you can see there's a little bit of paint that oozed under the tape. That's not a big deal. We are going to outline and clean up our lines using a Sharpie. So once your tape is removed, go ahead and get a black Sharpie. Trace nice and slow and careful along your paint line edges so that you can get that nice clean line. Okay, after you've outlined, then we're going to work with zigzag lines inside the trunk to give that detail like we saw in the pictures of the Truffula trees from the book The Lorax. Our final step, you're going to be working with sponges and paint. We're going to dip the sponge in, get just a little bit on it. We don't want to overload it, little bit. And then you're going to dab to create your trees. You'll want to pick 3 colors. You'll have 4 colors in your tray, so not everyone will use the same colors. And use a fresh sponge between each color. So once I used purple, I would not want to go back in and dip my purple sponge into my orange or my orange sponge into my pink. So a clean sponge for each one.